Ta-da! Look at that. Yep, that right there. That is a low carb, paleo friendly, protein packed, fiber infused bagel. I know, it sounds impossible, but I'm gonna show you how to make the impossible lean possible in this episode of Lean Living. Welcome back to a brand new episode of Lean Living Squaddies. As you can tell, I am very, very, very excited because today we are making low carb bagels. I know it sounds too good to be true, but I promise if you believe it, you can often achieve it. And we are gonna put these to the test today. This is a recipe I came across on Healthy Nettie's site, and there's been a lot of buzz about them. So what better way to put them to the test and give them a big old lean check mark than to make them ourselves. They're also super easy to make, and I guarantee you, you can do it right in your kitchen. But first, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, big red button, and a big thumbs up, maybe even two, if you like this recipe, and a comment. Let me know. I love hearing from you guys. I want to know how you are liking the recipes, and also you can tell me what more you want to see up. Now that you've done those things, we're getting down to business. Ooh, I actually caught something. First things first is you're gonna get yourself a mixing bowl, and we're gonna mix some ingredients. The first of which is uno cup of almond flour. And as you can see, I've got this nice little bowl. I've already measured up. That's 1 cup. We are baking, so we want to be on point here. And then coconut flour here. This is 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of coconut flour. Just bop that in. 3 tablespoons of flaxseed oil. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Lots of fiber in this. And then 1 tablespoon of baking soda here. That looks about 1 on the dot. There we go. And a dash, sprinkle of salt. Just get it in there. And just like so. Then we're gonna start a new mixing bowl. And we are gonna add some apple cider vinegar, water, eggs, and mix it all about. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Smells really strong. If you've never tried it before, brace yourself. It's very potent, also very healthy, has a ton of benefits to help your lean levels. So that's only 1 tablespoon. And then 1 tablespoon of water. There. 1 eggie. Ooh. And 5 egg whites. 1 egg white equals 2 tablespoons, so we're going 10 tablespoons if my math is correct. A lot of tablespoons, but this is bringing the protein. So 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. Whew. These are protein packed. That is exciting news because we need that protein to replenish and rebuild our muscles after all the exercise we're all doing. Isn't that right, squaddies? And now we whisk away with a fork. Make sure you whisk it very well. Put those arm muscles to the test. The faster you go, the more you'll burn. Always remember that. You always want to try and push everything as hard as you can. A little wisdom makes you feel better, more accomplished, and whatever is hard for you is good for you. Always remember that too. Don't compare yourself to anyone else. That's not what it's about. It's about pushing you in your body. That was my little lean wisdom while cooking. I hope you enjoyed it. Then we get our dry mix right there, and we're going to add that in there. And now we're mixing again. There we go, if you can see that. That's what mine looks like. That's what I consider well mixed, in case you're wondering. And then you're gonna grab a Ziploc bag. We're gonna put the mix in the Ziploc bag. Just take one more peek at this one. This is a special frozen one. These are for Hudson's little snacks. He actually loves the show Frozen. You we've washed it a lot of times. So we're gonna put the mix, oh yeah, there we go, into this Ziploc bag. Again, it doesn't have to be frozen. It can be any Ziploc bag, but if you're looking to add a little more pizzazz into your recipe, maybe you go with the frozen bag. You're gonna close this bag, get all the air out, and then smush it about. This is why I call it smushy, smushy, smushy. Smushy, smushy, smushy. Smush it about. And then what we're gonna do is cut a corner, open up a tiny little hole, and we're actually gonna squeeze the lean mix into, well, our bagel or donut tray. Now this is a donut tray, so I have put a link in the description below to the Lean Shop with one of these in there. Off Amazon, get it the next day, and you will be able to make this recipe. But you definitely need a donut tray, whether you get it from the Lean Shop or the store, whatever works for you. Again, it's lean for me, but this is what you're looking for right here. Now this is non-stick, but I'm just gonna lightly coat with olive oil. Whoa. That went all over the wall. Oops. Okay, lightly coat with olive oil. Cut that corner. And you just squeeze it on in. Woo! There you have it, squaddies. 6 low-carb, paleo, tasty bagels. And the last step is just to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Oops. We're going in the oven for 20 minutes. 20 minutes. How easy are these, squaddies? All right, I'll see you back here in 20 minutes. Are you ready for this, squaddies? It is time to bring out the bagels. Oh, ta-da! Look at those. Wow. Smell delicious. We're gonna put them to the test right now. Before we try any bagel, we need to top our bagels. You can use cream cheese, peanut butter, whatever floats your boat, butter. I'm gonna go with peanut butter. Slicing this in half. The official bagel test. One bite. Really good. I mean, as far as low carb goes, these are pretty good. These are great. Wow. With that in mind, squaddies, I'm gonna get to eat my bagel. Let me know your favorite topping. Whew. These get a big lean check mark, squaddies. I cannot stop eating these. But with that in mind, please let me know what you think of these. Comment below, subscribe to the channel if you already haven't done so. I love hearing from you guys. And if you want to learn more about how a custom 90-day lean plan filled with lean recipes like this, showing you exactly how easy and healthy eating lean can be, then go to www.lean-squad.com, check it out, or direct message me on Instagram at LEANSQUAD, and I will fill you in personally. With that in mind, squaddies, I got some more bagels to eat, because these are so good. Yeah. So yummy. We've done it. We've leanified the bagel. Woo! I'll see you back next episode.